looking into the IQ test. These are 10 questions to test your mental sharpness. That's what it says. The description says 10 questions to test your mental sharpness. We're going to go through them. Link to the original video in its entirety. No interruptions, nothing cut out. It's going to be down below. I mean, obviously this doesn't test your intelligence as a whole, but it shows your critical thinking skills, and I want to see if we're going to be able to solve them. Let's go through them together. Okay, IQ test. Let's go. Exclaimer. I've never heard of anyone say exclaimer. I've always heard disclaimer. That's funny. That's actually kind of weird. I don't know. That just sounds so odd to me, exclaimer. All right. I'll ask you 10 questions. You will need to think about these questions and answer them. Count how many answers you got correct and see which category you come under. All right. Question 1. Johnny's mother had 3 children. The first child was called April. The second child was called May. What was the third child's name? Alright. I'll give you guys a few seconds, but I'm going to start thinking about it. Alright. 3 kids. They said second child was called May. Okay, no, I'm sorry. Let's start with the first. The first child was called April. The second child was called May. Alright, let's go with this. The first child was called April. The second child was called May. Oh, look. Alright. It says Johnny's mother. In order to be Johnny's mother, you need to have a son that's named Johnny. So we got April, right? April. And we had May. And then now Johnny. Guys, don't get tricked. Please don't tell me you guys said it was June. Because April, May, June, don't. Hopefully you guys didn't think June. Alright, I want to see what you guys got. Like, guys, let me know in the comments, like, every answer you guys got. I think I got this one right. Johnny, April, and May. That's all 3. Answer is Johnny. Alright, question 2. A clerk at a butcher shop stands 5 foot and 10 inches tall. He wears size 13 shoes. What does he weigh? Alright, this one hurts my brain. I'm just kidding. A clerk at a butcher shop stands 5 foot and 10 inches tall. He wears size 13 shoes. What does he weigh? I got it. He's a clerk at a butcher shop, right? And he's basically ringing people up for the amount of meat they bought. So he has to weigh the meat in order to be able to come up with the price that it's going to cost them. So let's see if this is right. Come on. Meat! Alright. Before Mount Everest was discovered, what was the highest mountain in the world? This is another trick question. I know what the answer is, guys. Before Mount Everest was discovered, Mount Everest was still the highest mountain in the world. It just wasn't discovered yet. They didn't say before Mount Everest was formed. So it was still Mount Everest. I got it. I got all 3 so far. Let's go. This is easy. Nah, actually it's kind of tricky. Alright, question 4. How much dirt is there in a hole which measures 2 feet by 5 feet by 4 feet? I know this is a trick, or you just have to multiply 2 times 5 times 4. Alright, let's see. I'm actually not entirely sure. There is no dirt in a hole. No, I'm just dumb, guys. I didn't get that one. Alright. I got that one wrong technically, even though I was kind of thinking about it in my head. Alright, number 5. What word in the English language is always spelled incorrectly? They can't trick us, guys. You see that? The word in the English language that is always spelled incorrectly is incorrectly. Does that hurt your brain or not? There's only one word that's spelled incorrectly, and that's incorrectly. Alright, you guys will see what I'm talking about. There's no other word like incorrectly. It's just incorrectly. You guys see that? I got it right. Alright, question 6. Billy was born December 28th, yet her birthday always falls in the summer. How is this possible? Alright. This one is kind of hurting. I don't know. Like, I can't really come up with a good answer. Alright, let's just see the answer. I'm not 100% sure. I have some hint in my head. Like, I have an idea in my head, but... Oh, that's good. That's actually critical thinking. In the southern hemisphere and the northern hemisphere, they have summer on different days. But the only problem I see with this, we pretty much assumed that Billy lives in the United States or like in the northern hemisphere. That's the only problem with this question. But yeah, that's a good trick question. I like it. Alright, number 7. In British Columbia, you cannot take a picture of a man with a wooden leg. Oh, I know why. Alright? I got it. It's saying you cannot take a picture of a man with a wooden leg. That means a wooden leg. You can't take a photo with a wooden leg. You have to use a camera. It's a play on words. That's why these are not even IQ questions. These are just trick questions. Let's see if I got it right. You cannot take a picture with a wooden leg. You need a camera. Woo! Wait, so far, did I get 1 or 2 wrong? Or like I didn't answer 2 or 1? But I got like 5 right. Question 8. If you're running a race and pass the person in second place, what place would you be in now? I know the answer. I know the answer to this. Because I've heard this question before, alright? So it's not really cheating. I've already heard this question. If you pass someone in second place, and that person was in second place, so that means there was someone in front of them that's first place, and you just passed the second place, there's still a first place person, and now you're second place. Alright? You guys get that? You would be in second place. Let's go. This is like a rave, dude. This is a rave IQ test. Which is correct to say? The yolk of the egg is white or the yolk of the egg are white? I'll just go with the second option since it's trying to trick me and I'm pretty sure it's are white. Alright, let's see what it is. Damn it, it tricked me! Oh! Oh, you're gonna get it! I didn't even know. Dude. I didn't even actually think about the color. I was just thinking of the proper way to say it. Okay, fine. I didn't think critically about that one. Let's go. Question number 10. A farmer has 5 haystacks in one field and 4 haystacks in another. How many haystacks would he have if he combined them all in one field? No. Would he have none? Because they're on separate fields, so you can't put them in one. Let's see what the answer is. Alright, I want to find out. I've never heard this question. Let's go, let's see if I got it right. 1. If you combine a load of haystacks, baby. Guys, that's it. Let me know how you did. I only got like around 2 or 3 questions wrong out of the 10. But, I mean, one of them I actually didn't think through.